If you're a woodworking enthusiast, a DIY warrior, or simply someone who appreciates the art of craftsmanship, you're in for a treat. In this video, we're delving deep into the world of bow saws, those versatile tools that effortlessly glide through wood, making intricate cuts and turning your projects into masterpieces. Whether you're tackling a backyard project or creating stunning wooden art, these bow saws are your trusted companions. But that's not all. To dive deeper into the details and explore your options, make sure to check the links in the description box. Now, let's get started. HOOYMAN Bow Saw. The HOOYMAN Bow Saw is your ultimate companion for effective land management, yard work, gardening, and outdoor activities. Designed with robust construction and an ergonomic layout, this tool is crafted to provide unparalleled performance and lasting durability. Measuring 24 inches in length and weighing 1.8 pounds, the saw features a 21-inch SK5 steel blade with impulse-hardened teeth, ensuring a longer-lasting edge hardness for consistently strong and efficient cuts. The innovative no-slip H grip handle guarantees a secure hold, even in wet conditions, while the handguard adds an extra layer of safety. The bow saw's high-density EVA grip enhances stability and force during use, making tough cutting tasks feel effortless. Notably, the tension adjustment knob simplifies blade maintenance and replacement, allowing you to easily tighten or release tension as needed. Backed by HOOYMAN's limited lifetime warranty, this bow saw is a versatile and reliable tool that brings precision and control to your trimming endeavors. AGAWA Bow Saw. Whether you're clearing trails, cutting firewood, or tackling outdoor projects, the AGAWA Bow Saw offers a seamless, efficient, and enjoyable cutting experience in various outdoor scenarios. Suitable for camping, backpacking, canoeing, hunting, and home use, this folding bow saw stands out with its versatile applications and numerous advantages. With its innovative design, it opens in seconds. Simply unfold, snap into position, and start sawing. Its automatic blade tensioning eliminates the need for handling the blade while opening and closing, ensuring a safe and hassle-free experience. The high clearance frame allows for efficient large-diameter cuts, while the optimized geometry ensures powerful and effective saw strokes. Constructed from high-quality materials like an anodized 6063 aluminum frame, fiberglass reinforced nylon handle, and stainless steel hardware, this saw is crafted to endure the outdoors and ensure long-lasting use. The Swedish-made blade boasts an impulse-hardened raker tooth pattern, suitable for versatile cutting tasks. Its folding mechanism enhances portability, making it a great companion for your outdoor expeditions. Weighing just 18 ounces and measuring 21 inches, this bow saw achieves an optimal combination of performance and compactness. BAHCO Bow Saw. The BAHCO Bow Saw is a robust and reliable cutting tool designed to excel in demanding construction sites and tough outdoor environments. Its exceptional features and ergonomic design make it a favorite among professionals and homeowners alike. Crafted for durability and precision, this bow saw features an innovative tensioning mechanism that ensures high blade tension for straight and accurate cutting. The ergonomically designed handle with a knuckle protector provides both comfort and safety, allowing for extended periods of use without strain. Available in various frame sizes, 21, 24, and 30-inch, the lightweight yet heavy-duty construction makes it easy to handle while maintaining its sturdiness. The pointed nose design enhances maneuverability in tight and hard-to-reach areas, such as roofing and gardening. Equipped with hard point peg toothing and high-frequency hardened triangular set teeth, this bow saw delivers aggressive cutting performance on both pull and push strokes. Its versatility is further highlighted by the availability of replacement blades for different wood types: mature and dry wood or live and green wood. TRUPER Bow Saw. The TRUPER Bow Saw is an indispensable tool designed to tackle larger branches and cutting tasks with ease. Its 21-inch blade makes it ideal for handling substantial outdoor cutting projects. Equipped with a convenient cantilever tension system, this bow saw ensures that the blade remains perfectly tight while you work in the field. This feature guarantees consistent and precise cuts, enhancing efficiency and productivity. Maintenance is a breeze with the TRUPER bow saw. After each use, simple cleaning and a bit of oiling will ensure years of trouble-free performance. making it a durable addition to your gardening shed or garage. Built with a robust alloy steel blade, this bow saw is designed to endure demanding tasks and provide consistent performance. Its compact size of 9.12 into 1 into 24.75 inch ensures convenient storage and effortless transportation. GREATNECK Bow Saw. The GREATNECK Bow Saw is your dedicated cutting companion for a range of outdoor and indoor tasks. With a 24-inch chrome alloy hard steel blade and a tubular steel frame, this bow saw offers exceptional cutting power and durability. Designed for versatility, it's perfect for clearing brush, pruning hedges, cross-cutting branches, and slicing logs. The unique bow shape provides proper blade tension, ensuring smooth cuts and efficient performance. Whether you're out camping, working on your garden, or tackling DIY projects, this bow saw is a reliable tool. It can execute deep 6.5-inch cuts, and its quick blade switch mechanism allows for easy blade replacement. Crafted with quality in mind, the tubular steel frame offers a comfortable grip, while the chrome alloy extra hard steel blade effortlessly slices through the wood. This bow saw's performance is backed by a limited lifetime warranty, making it a dependable choice for all your cutting needs. And there you have it, fellow woodworking enthusiasts. A glimpse into the world of the best bow saws. These versatile tools are your key to unlocking a world of precision and creativity in your projects. And if you have any questions or need further assistance, please don't hesitate to leave a comment or reach out to us. We value your feedback and are here to help.